This 2008 Ford Super Duty F-250 Crew Cab pickup is located in York, Pennsylvania and has 53,506 miles on it. This crew cab pickup has a beautiful dark copper metallic exterior paint color which is complemented by a camel interior color. This vehicle features power windows, power door locks, tilt wheel, remote keyless entry, cruise control, and many other features. For more information on this great crew cab pickup, please click the link below.